You know what one of the hardest parts of learning Ukrainian is? It's the cases. And honestly, I completely understand why. I struggle with them myself in my learning of the Lithuanian language. When you start learning Ukrainian cases, it often feels like every word suddenly changes its ending in many different ways. And when you try to speak fast, your brain just freezes. And as a teacher, I really wanted to solve this issue for my students. And that's exactly why for the last 3 years I've been working on something really special. And today I can finally show it to you. It's my online course, Tame the Locative Case, and it's officially open. This project actually started back in 2022. At that time, I asked my audience what kind of course they would like to see, you would like to see from me the most. And many people answered Ukrainian cases. At first, I wanted to create one huge course about all the cases. But then I thought that it might be a bit too overwhelming. To actually start using a case naturally in speech, you need clear explanations, lots of repetitions, gradual practice, and enough time to really automate the skill. So instead of creating one giant, overwhelming course, I decided to make separate courses for each case. And I started with the locative case. But honestly, this course almost never happened. The problem is that I'm a perfectionist, and many times during these years I stopped because I felt that the course was not good enough yet. I reworked lessons, I redesigned materials, recreated exercises, and sometimes doubted myself. But eventually, I realized that perfection doesn't exist, and what matters is that something is truly helpful, and this course is truly helpful. So today I honestly feel proud of this course because I know it can genuinely help Ukrainian learners finally feel more confident with the locative case. The locative case is one of those topics that can seem easy at first until you actually try to use it while speaking. Because suddenly you have different endings, different genders, singular and plural forms, various prepositions, adjectives, and a lot of exceptions. And when speaking quickly, it becomes very hard to remember all the theory from your head. That's why this course doesn't focus only on explanations. The goal is not just to understand the rules. The goal is to help you to stop thinking about the rules completely, to make the locative case feel natural. So let me show what's inside of the course. There you will find 20 structured video lessons with detailed explanations, examples, and practical tasks directly during those videos. You will also get more than 100 interactive exercises, including quizzes, fill in the blanks, matching exercises, listening tasks, reading activities, and vocabulary practice. There are revision lessons as well, because repetition is one of the most important parts of language learning. This course also includes a storytelling lesson using the TPRS method, which many of you really like to watch on my YouTube channel. At the beginning of the course, you will also find 2 bonus lessons about the concept of Ukrainian cases in general and the nominative case. And at the end, there is a final test and a certificate of completion from Verba School. While practicing grammar, you also will learn a lot of useful vocabulary about places in the city, countries, rooms and furniture, household electronics, verbs of position, musical instruments, and much more. So, you are not learning grammar in isolation. You are learning how to actually use Ukrainian on practice, communicatively. This course is the best for so-called false beginners, for the learners who have already started learning Ukrainian but want to dive deeper into Ukrainian cases and to learn them properly. So, if you can already read Ukrainian, know some basic vocabulary, but still feel confused about cases, then this course was made for you. Especially if you are the kind of learner who enjoys structured explanations, wants grammar to actually make sense and prefers deep understanding instead of some random memorization. Honestly, this course became a huge part of my life during these 3 years. Even I myself changed with this project, together with it. And I put an enormous amount of care into every lesson, every exercise, and every explanation. So today I am very excited and a little emotional to finally share it with you. If you'd like to join the course, you can find the link in the description of this video below. Registration is officially open and the discount price for early birds is prolonged till May 18th, 2026. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. I will be very happy to answer. Thank you so much for being here and supporting Verba School. And hopefully, I'll see you inside the course.